Hi guys! Today is April 21 and I am here in Baler, Aurora because may outing kami with my family. We arrived here mga 8 AM and it's already 4:40 and ngayon pa lang maliligo kasi ayoko magbabad sa araw kanina. So let's go na. Samahan na mag-swimming. Ayun na, bigla. There's pa more. Sobi na kami! Sobi na ka! Sobi na! Oh my god! Today is our day 2 and I forgot to end the vlog yesterday because wala namang ganap. So ngayon nakababawi kasi pupunta kami sa May Falls dyan. Near lang sa resort na to. And let's go guys. Kakain muna ka breakfast then go na kami. Oh my god! Ang lalim! Dive. Woo! Uyan, may nakapulot ako. Mag-kiss po kami sa tubig. Si Kuya Kai. Si Lloyd. Mark, nating card nakuha ko para sa isang kanina. Ayun, tagay mo na yan. Oo, tiyati lang. Bago! Wait! Tayo ka muna ulit. We're going home na. Pero ang sulat kasi ang ganda ng scenery. Legit. Mas ang hirap ng taga. Siguro mga 40 minutes na lakad. Ganon. Si Kong TV oh. Guys, si Kong TV po.
So yun po ano?
Paano?
Kasalukuyan dito tayo sa Baler.
We're currently looking for a place to stay because umalis kami sa pinagstay namin kahapon. Ang hirap, best. Lahat fully booked. Best, ano na? Uwian na, best. Uwian na. Hindi.
Hindi, pasagasa ka para open talaga.
It's already 9 PM and fuck, may nakatingin. Wait lang, nahiya ako. It's already 9 PM and nasa bagong place na kami na pagsastayan namin and kakain lang ng saglit kasi nagutom pa ulit kami. And I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're so damn tired because of that medyo trekking na swimming sa falls, sa Mother Falls tawag sa Baler. And yun guys, that's all. I think mag-vlog baka tomorrow. Pero swim lang. Ganun. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, Physical Boy here, and it is already our third day here in Baler, and I'm just chilling here sa ang tawag dito sa may veranda. And guys, I decided not to swim na lang kasi I'm already 50 shades darker guys. Ang itim ko na best, oh my god, as in. And I really need my Mont soap because best, nakakaputi agad yun as in. And guys, by the way, I will be having another travel vlog this May, and I still have the Fifth Harmony vlog plus meron pa isa pang vlog, so tatlong vlog, so apat na kasi kasama pa to. Baka ma-upload siya ng mga bandang May na first week of May, second week of May kasi ang dami ko pang i-edit guys. Tapos ano pa bang meron ganap sa akin, yun lang guys. I still have 4 videos to be uploaded soon. So guys, watch out. And guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you had fun and you experienced how beautiful it is here in Baler. And guys, if you were looking for a place to stay, okay dito sa may Home Playa Lodge here sa Baler kasi spacious nung room and super comfortable na mga bed kasi super soft. As in, and super beachfront talaga siya. And yan guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wait, may drone sa harapan ko. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on my next videos. Yun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching.